XebiaLabs is a fast and easy way to install the XebiaLabs DevOps Platform in a highly available, highly scalable setup running on Kubernetes. You can use XebiaLabs to install the XebiaLabs DevOps Platform on your local computer, on a multi-node Kubernetes cluster, or in the cloud on Amazon EKS or Google GKE. This video will walk you through the process of installing the XebiaLabs DevOps Platform on your local computer, which is a great way to try it out. Before getting started, you need to prepare a few things. First, you'll need to download the XebiaLabs command line interface from the XebiaLabs software distribution site. You'll also need Docker for Mac or Docker for Windows running on your local computer. You can download it from the Docker website. Next, be sure you've allocated enough resources to Docker. At least 4 CPUs and 6 GB of memory are required. Then, enable Kubernetes in Docker. It will take a few minutes for Docker to install Kubernetes and start the cluster. You'll also need licenses for XeldDeploy and XelRelease. If you don't already have licenses, you can sign up for a free trial at XebiaLabs.com. Be sure to note the full path to the location where you've saved the license files. You'll need that information later. Finally, you need the location and password of a Java key store that will be used to encrypt secrets in the XeldDeploy and XelRelease repositories. If you don't already have a key store, you can use the Java Key Tool command line tool to generate one. After you've satisfied the prerequisites, it's time to dive in. At a command prompt, type XLUP to start the XebiaLabs command line interface. Select the Quick Setup mode, and then select the Local Kubernetes option. Next, select the versions of XeldDeploy and XelRelease that you'd like to install. Then enter the full path to your XeldDeploy license file, and enter the full path to your XelRelease license file. The CLI will verify that it can find both license files in the location you specify. Finally, enter the full path to your Java key store, and enter the key store password. And that's it. You just need to confirm that you accept the default values for other properties, including passwords that the CLI generates for the XeldDeploy and XelRelease admin users. Be sure to note these passwords because you'll need them to log into the products. After you accept, XLUP starts to spin up the XebiaLabs DevOps Platform. When the XebiaLabs DevOps Platform is available for use, you'll see the URLs where you can access the graphical user interface. Open a URL in your browser and log in with the username admin and the appropriate password. You can now use the XebiaLabs DevOps Platform for all of your release orchestration and deployment automation needs. This local installation of the XebiaLabs DevOps Platform is a fast and easy way to get started, but XLUP also offers advanced options for a production-ready setup running on-premises or in the cloud. To learn more, visit docs.xebialabs.com.